Welcome to the vibrant world of sushi. Sushi has been enjoyed for centuries, evolving into a beloved dish worldwide. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore this delightful culinary art. From its intriguing history to its rise in global popularity, sushi has captured the hearts of food enthusiasts everywhere. But what makes sushi so special? Is it the eye-catching presentation or the harmonious blend of flavors? As we dive into the fascinating realm of sushi, get ready to discover fun facts and insights that will make you appreciate this iconic dish even more. So grab your chopsticks and join us as we unravel the delicious mystery of sushi. Stay tuned for a closer look at its diverse varieties and cultural significance. Welcome to the delicious world of sushi, where every bite tells a story. Today, we're diving into the variety of sushi types you might find at your local Japanese restaurant or sushi bar. From nigiri to maki, sushi comes in many delicious forms. First up, nigiri. Imagine a slice of fresh fish or seafood elegantly draped over a small bed of vinegared rice. It's simple yet exquisite, offering a perfect balance of flavors. Next, sashimi. This is for true lovers of pure, unadulterated seafood. Sashimi consists of thinly sliced raw fish served without rice, highlighting the fresh taste of the sea. Then there's maki. These are the rolls you often see on your Instagram feed. Rice and fillings like cucumber, avocado, or fish are wrapped in seaweed, creating fun bite-sized pieces. And let's not forget tamaki, or hand rolls. These cone-shaped delights are packed with rice, seafood, and vegetables, offering a handheld experience that's both delicious and fun to eat. Finally, chirashi, a beautiful bowl of vinegared rice topped with a vibrant assortment of fish and vegetables. Perfect for those who love variety in every bite. Whether you're trying nigiri or indulging in maki, sushi offers something for everyone. So next time you're at a sushi spot, why not try something new? Stay tuned as we dive into the cultural significance of sushi and share tips on enjoying it like a pro. Sushi isn't just a meal, it's a vibrant tapestry of Japanese culture. In Japan, sushi symbolizes tradition, artistry, and community. It's a craft that spans generations, with each piece carrying the soul of its creator. When enjoying sushi, remember, it's not just about taste. When you sit down at a sushi bar, keep a few tips in mind. Start with the lightest fish and work your way to richer flavors. Dip the fish side into soy sauce, not the rice, to avoid overpowering the delicate balance of flavors. For a true experience, engage with the chef. Ask questions, show appreciation, and you might discover stories behind each creation. So, venture out and try sushi. It's an adventure for your taste buds and a journey into a rich cultural landscape. Whether it's your first roll or you're a seasoned sushi lover, there's always something new to discover. Dive in and explore this delicious art form, and who knows, you might find a new favorite along the way.